Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by dy. Next, we have s squared and s ds over dy. This is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equal to s squared, and later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have dv over dy equal to 2s ds over dy. Next, because we don't have number 2, so we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change this one into v. S ds over dy we change by this one. This one we have 2v plus 4y squared. Now, I will put this one go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by y over 2. Next, we have v, and first derivative of v we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu y equals to e to the power of the integration. That is about this one in here. So we have for L and Y, and we can put number 4 go inside about natural law in here. And we have y to the power of 4. Next, we multiply both sides by y to the power of 4. This one we have 4y to the power of 3 and y to the power of 5. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we need to apply about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So in this one we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one we have y equals to ab. Now the integration of this one we have v y to the power of 4. The integration of this one we have y to the power of 6 over 6, and I will put about c. Now we need to simplify this one. Next, about v, that is about s squared. Next, we have the conditions. We put number 1 cone here, number 0 cone here to find the value of c. Now we got about c equals to 4 over 3. because this one we have number 0, and I will put this one go to the left. That's why we have 4 over 3. Now we put 4 over 3 in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.